We'll begin with the feet about shoulder width apart, and we'll begin by loosening up the wrists and the hands. So you can hold your hands right out in front, and then begin to rotate your hands, your wrists, and your fingers. So really get your fingers involved. Just think about how much your hands do for you. And then how much do you stretch them? So probably not a whole lot, right? And then reverse direction. So just loosening up the wrists, the hands, and the fingers, lubricating the joints. All right, then we're gonna alternate doing what we call wrist spirals. So spiraling the hands towards you, alternating them. And you can even kind of shift the weight a little bit as well. Nice and slow. And then reverse direction, going away from you. And then next we'll do tendon glides. So hold the hands right here out in front and then curl the fingers and then open. So scooping down and then back up. So gently gliding all the tendons of the fingers. All right, this is really good for carpal tunnel syndrome or if you want to prevent it. All right, and then finally we'll do an active forearm stretch. So clasping the fingers together as much as you can, and then slowly pressing down gently. And then coming back up, and then coming down to where you feel a gentle stretch. So not full force. So coming down. All right, one more time. The active forearm stretch. All right, then let the hands just float down out to the sides. And then as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy. Bring it in towards the heart and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. One more time, sink the chi. Then the hands float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Rising up, letting go. And you can soften the hips and the knees as well as you come down, opening the shoulders and chest as you come up. One more time, holding up the sky. And then this time the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the hands circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other, and the bottom hand here drops down, tosses away. The hand waves in towards the heart and then moves forward, right towards me. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in and then forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind, creating focus and clarity. And you can even lean into it if you like, swaying side to side, feeling the flow. Breathing in and breathing out. All right, one more time, repulse monkey. This time both hands drift over to the side. The hands float down. They drift up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. Nice gentle sway. And then from here, stay with me. The palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. One more time, breathing in and breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. This time the arms float all the way up and over like a big wave, the Chen circles. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably, letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. One more time, the Chen circles. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up to shoulder height, palms face away, the hands drift across the horizon and down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. This time the arms float up and over the chin circles, opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints, creating freedom of movement. One more time, chin circles. And then circle in front as if you're hugging a big tree. And soften. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions and they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again. Wave hands like clouds. Softening the shoulders and the neck. Soften the face and the eyes. Soften the jaw. Using only what you need. Like a moving meditation. We'll drift across a few more times. Wave hands like clouds. Tuning into the body, noticing the sensations that you feel. All right, one more time, drift across. And then this time making 2 loose fists. We'll reverse direction and drag the clouds across the sky. Then the hands switch, drift across the storm clouds. Breathing in, breathing out, nice gentle loose fists. Not too tight, not too loose. A good way to live life as well. Drifting across, moving mindfully. All right, one more time, storm clouds. Then the hands float down. They circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. Then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the hands float all the way up overhead, making the tiger claws. Then as you come down, we'll scoop the energy up from the earth, bring it right up the center, and then release. The tiger squat. Coming down just as much as you can comfortably. Just being kind to yourself, please. Coming up and over and down, still breathing. Getting in our squats for the day. All right, one more time, the tiger squat. And then this time, round out the arms as if you're hugging a big tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side, the moon orbits the earth. The hands circle around as if your hands are lightly resting on the moon, just going for the ride. And then reverse direction with the hands. One more time, circle it around. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree. Bring it back to center. From here, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top, embrace the moon, pivot on the heel, toes point out to the side, the moon orbits the earth, as if you're carrying something precious. Really tuning into the body, and then reverse direction. Nice and slow. One more time, the moon orbits the earth. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center. From here, the hands come together in prayer position right in front of the heart as you soften down. Then as you rise up to the side, the fingertips point up and then look in the opposite direction, coming down to center, and then look the other way. The dragon looks side to side. Back and forth. Breathing. Nice and slow. All right, one more time. The dragon looks side to side. And then from here, the hands turn onto their sides. They drift across the eye level and then across the heart. And then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round. Drifting across up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then if you want, you can keep the feet as they are, or you can step one foot in a little bit closer. The hands float back up for another round. Just trying with different foot positions, seeing which one you like the best. The hands float back up, coming across 3 times. That's 1, 2, And then on the third time, you can step the foot in together or as close as you can. The hands float back up, swimming dragon, letting the hips sway out as well. Opening the wrists, shoulders, elbows. One more round, swimming dragon. And then release, round out, hugging the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down, and then this time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen or just down by the sides. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling all the sensations in the body that you can. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our free 7-day morning Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below, and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar.